Eu vou ter que fazer essa missão. Vamos fazer então. Sem frescura. Essa é a última que eu vou fazer hoje, já vou pra cama. Tô morrendo de frio e de sono.
Your son, James. He's a good kid.
A good kid? A good kid? Why? Does he help the fucking poor? No. He sits on his ass all day, smoking dope and jerking off while he plays that fucking game. If that's our standard for goodness, no wonder this country's screwed.
And what about you?
What about me? Hey. I don't have the advantages that kid has.
Deixa eu aumentar
By
mais
the time I was his age, I'd already been in prison twice. I robbed banks. I ran whores. I smuggled dope.
And you consider them achievements?
These were the opportunities I had. At least I took them.
And where did these opportunities get you, Michael?
They got me right fucking here. The end of the road. With a big house and a useless kid. And I'm stuck talking to you because no one else gives a shit. Oh, I'm living a dream, baby. And that dream is fucked. It is fucking fucked.
Let it all out.
I think I just did.
Oh. Well, I think that's all we have time for. The same time next week?
I guess. I gotta tell you, I ain't too sure this shit is working for me.
Well, a sense of overriding futility is a vital part of the process. Embrace it.
Whatever you say, Doc.
Shit gotta be around here somewhere.
Unless they buried it under the sand, fool. Another brilliant Lamarck Davis production.
Fuck.
Vamos aumentar de novo.
Excuse me, homie. Can you tell me where Berto's Beach House is?
No, Ruby, I cannot.
Won't you come on?
Actually, yeah. It's that house right there. The yellow stairs.
Yeah. Good looking out, homie. Appreciate it.
Man, get your stupid ass on. Damn. Why don't you ask him if he knows the fucking owner? Or better yet, do some skywriting that reads there's a couple of niggas here about to boost some cars in case somebody didn't realize.
See, what you don't realize is we ain't boosting. This shit is legit business.
Legit? Oh yeah, I forgot, huh? 401ks, tax returns and all. Yeah, right.
You the one I'm pumped up on doing this lick, nigga. I'm getting my money in the hood. I'm straight, fool. I'm cool.
You cool? Cool what? Slinging dope and throwing up gang signs? Yeah, right.
Whatever, homie. Yeah, homie. This the spin knock right here. Boy, Simeon, but bullshit.
Get your ass in here.
Bring your ass, fool. I'm just trying to boss somebody. Come on. Come on.
Que barulho é esse, gente? Que estranho.